My name is Mark Smith. I'm with T.N. Ward Company. We have been a CGC eCMS client since 2013 is when we went live. The main factor that brought us over to CGC, we were on disparate systems. We had an accounting software package, we had a project management software package, and a myriad of Excel spreadsheets that we were operating our company with, and we wanted to have one system that integrated both the operations and financial management and one entry. That was the thing that really brought us to eCMS and has kept us here, really. Now that we're with eCMS and we have this integrated system, we're constantly, and CGC is constantly presenting opportunities to us to move our operations forward. And the most recent thing that we had was the migration to software as a service on the cloud with CGC. And we're a construction company. We know sticks and bricks, and the more that we can get out of the technology and maintenance industry, the better. So we moved over in 2017 and have not looked back. It has been wonderful not having to do the monthly maintenance. So that has been a wonderful break for T.N. Ward Company to focus on construction and not on the technology maintenance. Another thing that brought us along with the integrated system to eCMS was the idea that we can build our own reports. We've been using business intelligence to get the data back out of our system so that we can give it to the people that are making decisions. So T.N. Ward Company, we're a general contractor. We have been on the ENR Top 400 for decades, and we build a lot in the hospitality and gaming industry, vertical construction as well. We're in the multifamily housing space. eCMS has just been wonderful in modernizing our company. We're 100 years old in 2018, and we've gone from paper to now paperless.